Day 5. Today we are learning how to say in Psalm 1, who are you? Repeat after me. Oa'u. Oa'u in Psalm 1 means me. Oa'u. 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 Our next word, oaia'u. Oaia'u in Psalm 1 means who am I? Oaia'u. Oaia'u. The next one is olo'u igoa o. Olo'u igoa in English is my name is. Olo'u igoa o. Our other word is o'oe. O'oe means you. O'oe. O'oe. Our last word for today, oai'oe. Oai'oe means who are you? Oai'oe. Oai'oe.